Today we're gonna make Dana White's bacon fries. He's the president of the UFC, and in his video, you see his chef prepare this dish, but there are a few details that are missing, so we're gonna do an experiment today to see if we can recreate it the right way. It all starts off with a tray with some parchment paper. In his video, it seems like his bacon is stretched out a little bit, so we're gonna pull it and we're gonna twist it around. I think I figured out the technique. You just hold one end of the bacon and you just twist the other side. Maybe the bacon I got was a little bit too thick. Okay, one last one. Now we're gonna put some paprika and brown sugar on top. Now let's place them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes or until they become nice, brown and crispy. Oof, look at that. Now this has been cooking for about 25 minutes and it finally looks crispy. Let's give it a taste test. So it definitely tastes good, but it's not really crispy. I think I bought the wrong bacon. I bought one that was a little bit too thick, and because the bacon was so thick, I had to cook it for about 25 minutes to try and get it crispy, but it never really got that crispy. And because I cooked it so long, the sugar around the bacon started to burn. So in the future, I think I need to do another experiment and hopefully it'll turn out right. If you enjoyed this experiment, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos and give me a like. It won't cost you anything.